So welcome back to another coin opening video, and this is from, I think it's Trig or whatever, TTGR or whatever, on eBay. I actually buy quite a lot of coins from him. Who got me onto? Oh, Ricky, you got me onto this guy, and it's actually sorry, I have old people's hands. So maybe I should put a link down to him. He's actually, I do recommend him if you actually buy coins. And as you can see, these are nicely wrapped up. So, and they're all in coin covers. So he has a thing I put coins in coin covers. So his postage will be a bit expensive. So the first coins we have are, let's focus in. Hong Kong $1, 1971. These have been demonetized, so you can't spend them. And 75. And this one you're probably paying a few dollars for, probably up to $5. 1975, quite a nice coin. 1975 is when they actually started to change the coinage to the actual current size coins. So here we have a current dollar. It's actually smaller. Then we have a Rhodesian coin. So I actually like to get Rhodesian coins. Actually got quite a few. Say 20 cent from 64 or 2 shilling, whichever one you want to use. And it has the eagle. It's part of the current coat of arms. And Queen Elizabeth II, quite a nice coin. Then we have a few Ethiopian coins. So this is one of my favourite sets. So this is from 1944. So we've got the 1 centimes, we've got 5 centimes, and then we have Haile Selassie's on this side. Then we have the 10 centimes. We've got the eagle and Haile Selassie. Then where's the 25? Here's the one I like. The 25, look at the actual border around that. So you can see the high points of the actual border of are reeded. Then we've got the scallop shape, which are not reeded. And here he is again. So I've actually made another video on these. So these ones are actually pretty expensive to buy. Probably been $5 to $20 each, depending where you get it from. So they're actually a bit expensive to buy, but they're a nice set to actually get. Then we have another Hong Kong 74. Same price as the other Hong Kong coins. In pretty good condition, that one. Then let's do those last. So we've got another Rhodesian coin. So this is a 2 and 6 pence or a 25 cents. So if we look at the 20 cents, you can see that. So you're probably paying $5 to $10 for that coin, and probably $5 for the 20 cent as well. So this is actually in pretty good condition. Then, a low mint 1935. So this one you're probably paying a fair bit. Oh, probably not a fair bit, probably $5 to $10. Instead of the usual $1 or $2 you actually pay for a 6 pence or bullion value. Can't remember how many were minted, probably I think about 1 million. This one's probably in fine condition. Then we have 2 coins from Ghana. So this is the inflation period, so I've got 20 cedis and 200 cedis. This one probably $1 max that you should actually be paying for these. And here we have the cowrie shell that's actually on this series. So they're cowries, coffee beans, or I think it's the coat of arms they actually had on them. So they alternated between different denominations. Okay, Swiss. Helvetia means Switzerland. Helvetii was actually a Celtic tribe that inhabited Switzerland before the Germanic invasion and the Roman invasion. And this is a 1971 half franc. So if you get a coin that's in this rotation, so this is coin rotation, or if you get one in that rotation, Switzerland changed them, I think in 1982 or something. So now we have a self-Vietnamese, 5 dong. This one you're probably paying up to $5, depending on the grade. 1966 during the Vietnam War. Nha Hang Quoc Year Vietnam, so the National Bank of Vietnam. And Vietnam Gong Hoa. I know I didn't pronounce it wrong, because all these lines here, so represent tones, and either if it's a long or short vowel. And I actually haven't learned how to distinguish them. But I find Vietnamese actually a bit harder to actually pronounce. And the last that we got is some half crowns. So we've got 1962. So we got the coat of arms of... I hate it when it does that. See that? That distracting. So we've got the coat of arms of Ireland, England and Scotland. You see Wales is not here because it's classed as part of England. And this one's you're probably paying about $5 to $10 roughly. So actually a nice coin, Elizabeth II. Then we have a 1955, same design, so all the Elizabeth II had the same design. And a little bit worn, probably very fine. 56 in better condition. Then we have a 61. So 67 should actually, all these 60 coins should have a high mintage. And the last one is 57. So as you can see, all the design is good. So all these half crowns had the coat of arms of the UK on it since time immemorial. And yeah, they're actually just quite a nice coin to get. So I'd like to know which one is your favourite coin. For me, it is this one, the Ethiopian 25 centimes. So if you're not too familiar, this is the actual date on the actual coin. Turn it over. This is the actual denomination. Ethiopia. I think it says Ethiopian denomination. So that is basically Ethiopian coins. So actually quite a nice series to get. There is the 50 centimes, which is silver, but I didn't actually get that with this lot. I've actually got it before, and it's got the same design, but really just not as good as these bronze coins here. So I hope this educates you in coins and what you can actually find. And just shop around. That's all I'm going to say. Just shop around. If you've got a budget, you know, you can check to see a good price for a coin. And also check to see if they actually go up in the future. Because a lot of these coins, like these half crowns, they won't really go up in the future. Probably adjust for inflation, but you know, not really inflation and plus more. But if you've got, I don't know, South Vietnamese coins, extinct countries, these two, maybe they'll actually get a hype sooner or later. But you never know. If you never ever research the coins. Thank you and goodbye.